Hi, I'm Leslie, a bilingual life coach with a background in clinical social work and counseling. If you are healing after a breakup or divorce, I want you to take a deep breath because you already done something incredibly brave. You're still standing. I know it can feel like you've lost your sense of direction, like the life you imagined just disappeared, and now you're left wondering who you are without that relationship. But here's the truth, this chapter isn't the end, it's your new beginning. As a life coach, I will help you reconnect with yourself, the real you. We'll explore your values, rebuild your confidence, and rediscover what brings you peace, joy, and purpose. Through a compassionate and structured process, I'll guide you to let go of what no longer serves you, heal old emotional patterns, and create a vision for a life that feels whole, not because of someone else, but because of you. You deserve more than just getting through this. You deserve to rise from it. If you're ready to rebuild, rediscover, and start again, I'll be honored to walk beside you here in Empowerment Life Coaches and Consultants.